Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a link on Zoom for a meeting. The first thing you need to do to create a link for a meeting on the Zoom desktop app is to open the Zoom desktop app, which of course I have done right here. So launch Zoom on your computer, ensuring you are signed into your account. Then head over to the home page, which we have here. So go to the home tab, which is at the top of the screen, and click on the home icon. And once you click on that, this will display your main meeting options in the middle of the screen. Now that we're here, go ahead and click on schedule, which is here in the center of the home page. Just go ahead and look at the schedule icon and click on it. And this opens the schedule meeting window where you can configure meeting details. The first thing you have to enter is the topic. So enter your meeting topic or leave the default title, which is there, and then head over to date and time. That's the when, where you can choose the date and the time for your meeting. Just fill out these details. And of course, the next thing is the attendees, which we have in here. So you can add as many attendees by email or the name. Also select if you want it to be a recurring meeting by checking this box, or if you do not want that, then just go ahead and ignore. Then head over to meeting ID, where you can of course click on generate automatically, or you can use the personal meeting for a consistent ID. Head over to time zone, make sure the time zone is correct for all attendees. And I've of course talked about the recurring meeting, that if you want the meeting to repeat, just check this box and then select daily or weekly once you have checked the box. Of course, the next thing will be passcode. So ensure that a passcode is set if required, or just go ahead and turn it off if you do not want it. Then head over to waiting room. Enable these by checking this box if you want participant to wait for you to admit them. Then of course, in the video and audio setting, here we have video, toggle whether the host and participant's video will start on entry by clicking on here or on here. If you want to put it off, just go ahead and set it to off. In the audio, choose the audio options available, whether your computer audio or whatever kind of audio. But just here we have only computer audio. If you have other audio options, then you can just select from there. Then the next thing to do is to click on the advanced option. So click on the advanced option at the bottom to adjust for the settings like automatically recording the meeting, allowing attendees to join before the host, and muting participants upon entry. So once you're done with all of the details, go ahead and click on the save button, which is here, and this schedules the meeting and generates a link for it. Now after saving, as you can see, this is here. Okay, I have to sign in. So you might be required to sign in. All right, continue. Okay, so that's taking you to Google Calendar to set up some specific things on Google Calendar, but I don't think that's necessary for me. So I'm just gonna head over back to this. So right there where you have your meeting, you can see Amanda Max Zoom's meeting, and this is pretty much what is here. So you can just go ahead and copy the invitation to just get a full meeting invitation with the link scheduled. And you can also alternatively can head over to the meetings tab at the top of the screen and find the meeting that you scheduled, which we have a meeting scheduled here. So find the meeting and click on it. So click on it to view. And once you click on it to view, you will definitely see the meeting details. That's the full details for that meeting, and you should be able to copy the meeting link directly from here. So go ahead and paste the link into an email message or calendar invitation to share it with participants. Following the steps, you have a link created and ready to share for your Zoom meeting. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.